Hello student, let us start the new chapter, chapter number 4, integers. What is know about the integers? Integer is also a kind of number. Yes, just like we learned about the natural numbers, whole numbers, similar integer is also a kind of number. Natural numbers including all positive numbers, whole numbers begins with 0, that includes 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on, so many numbers. Now see integers, what is the definition of integer? Integer includes negative numbers. Integer includes negative numbers, 0 and positive numbers. Integer includes negative numbers, 0 and positive numbers. Now, what is a negative number and what is positive numbers? Numbers are two types. One is positive, one is negative. The positive numbers, just the natural numbers, means plus signs. 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on infinity, so many numbers. But negative numbers, the numbers with minus sign. The numbers with minus sign means minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 101, minus 223. These all are the negative numbers. So now let again read the definition of integers. It includes negative numbers, 0 and positive numbers. Yes, now we study already the 0 and positive numbers are known as whole number also. Yes, so we can say that integers are the whole numbers with negative numbers. Integers are the whole numbers with negative numbers. So this is the definition of integers. Now see some examples of integers. Just minus 23, it is also integer because it is a negative number. 0 because it is a 0 is neither positive nor negative, but it is a whole number. And integers are whole number with negative numbers. Okay, so 0 is also a kind of integers. Now any kind of number you can take, just 5, etc. So many numbers are integers here. Okay, now the questions comes in your mind. All natural numbers are whole number, all natural numbers are integer or not. Now see this diagram here. But the natural number include only positive numbers. Natural number include only positive numbers. Whole number includes positive number and 0. Okay? And then see, integer includes positive, 0 and the negative. It means positive number, integer also include, whole number also include and natural number also include. So natural numbers are whole numbers. Every natural numbers are whole number. Every natural numbers are integers. Okay? But vice versa it is not true. Just see, integers includes negative, positive and 0. But natural numbers not include 0 and negative. So every integer is not a natural number. Now see here, integer include positive, 0 and negative. Let's begin the new topic, that is presentation of numbers, integers on number line. How do we represent the integers on number line? Let's see here. This is a number line. This is 0. This is right side of the number line and this is left side of the number line. You can see I am representing here all positive integers on right hand side. And left hand side you can see I am representing here the negative numbers. So number line, right hand side all positive integers are here and here all negative integers. Okay. So these all positive numbers are also known as positive integers. What known as positive integers. Okay. Now this side all the negative numbers are showing. These all are known as negative integers. What are known as negative integers. Okay. Now 0 is here. 0 is neither positive nor negative. So you can write here. See, neither positive or nor negative. This is about 0. So this number line is representing all kinds of numbers. Natural numbers, whole numbers and integer. How? You can see here, these are natural numbers. These are whole numbers. The whole number line is showing integers here. Clear? Let's see an example. Represent 3 and minus 2 on number line. How do you represent 3 and minus 2? So first of all you draw a straight line. Then you write their positive, negative numbers with 0 there. This right hand side is left hand side will show negative infinity. Why I am showing these signs? Because numbers are infinite. So many. So positive also and negative also. Okay. See here, this 0, 1, 2 and 3. What we want to represent? 3. Positive 3. Nothing it means that is positive. But if number is negative, it is necessary we use minus sign there. But if number is positive there, we don't need to be show that plus sign. Okay. Now 3 is here, so you mark this is your number. Done. Now second is what? Minus 2. How do you represent minus 2 on a line? You observe here, this is minus 2. You mark this one and this is your point B. This is minus 2. This is your answer. In this way you can represent any kind of number on number line. Again I am telling you number line is showing all kinds of numbers. But this number line is showing necessarily integers, positive, 0 and negative numbers. Okay. All the integers, when you are studying about the integers include positive, negative and 0 number. But what is the highest positive number? Not defined. Because numbers are infinity so many. What is the least integer, least negative number? That is also not defined. Okay. But greatest integer, negative integer. Greatest negative integer is 1 and smallest positive integer is 1. Greatest negative integer is minus 1 and smallest positive integer is plus 1. Okay. Let's do the new topic, that is comparison of integers. We can compare the integer with the use of number line also and without the use of number line. But for understanding of this, again come on the number line. Now see this number line. This is right hand side, this is left hand side. Right hand side show all the positive integer, left hand side show all the negative integer. 0 is neither positive nor negative. It means 0 is not a positive number, not a negative number. Okay. Now all the positive and negative number and 0 are showing on number line. These all are what? These all are integers. When we are observe this number line from left hand side to right hand side, we are looking here. This is minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. The numbers are in ascending order. Numbers are in ascending order. But when you observe this number line from right hand side to left hand side, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, 5, and so on. So the number line is showing in descending order. Okay, these numbers. Value to comparison on the number line, always the positive integer is greater than negative integer. You can see here. The positive integer is greater than negative integer. 0 is greater than the negative integer and 0 is lesser than the positive integers. Okay. Now, but we want to compare the integer with the use of number line. How? See the example. The example is 5, minus 3, 0, minus 5, 2 and minus 1. These some numbers are given to you. You observe these numbers on number line. Now, mark it 5. Where is 5 given on the number line? We mark here 5. This is 5. Okay. Now, next is minus 3. Mark here 0. Mark it. Yes. Minus 5 is 0. 2 and minus 1. Now, everyone, what I am telling recently to you, when you observe number line from left hand side to right hand side, the numbers are in ascending order. It means this minus 5 is lesser than minus 3. So we are writing at the time of comparison, minus 5 is lesser than minus 3. This minus 3 is lesser than minus 1. So the minus 3 is lesser than minus 1. The minus 1 is lesser than 0. So minus 1 is lesser than 0. The 0 is lesser than 2 and 2 is lesser than 5. So 0 is lesser than 2 and 2 is lesser than 5. So we are comparing these numbers and write in minus 5 is lesser than minus 3. Minus 3 is lesser than minus 1. Minus 1 is lesser than 0, 0 is less than 2 and 2 is less than 5 with the use of number line. Okay. again positive number is greater, so this one is greater. Next one is 0 and minus 5. 0 always greater than negative numbers, so here 0 is greater. When you are having the similar kind of number, just like example minus 4 and minus 3. Both are the negative integers. So in this situation, you see here which number is greater. The minus 3 is the greater, because see, minus 3 is greater than minus 4. So this is about the number line. How do we do the comparison of integer with the use of number line and without use of number line? Let us start the new topic, that is how do we find the sum and difference of integer by using some rules. Yes, when we add whole numbers and natural numbers, we not need any kind of rules. But in the case of integers, we need some rules. Let's see the rules. What are the rules? Rules are telling, if you are doing addition of two integers and you do the subtraction of two integers, be remember, if both the integers are positive, yes, both the integers are positive, both numbers are having the plus sign, in that situation, you will be do addition there. What you will do? Addition. Okay? First question is, what we will do there? Plus or minus? Addition or subtraction? Second question is this, with the sum and difference, which sign we will use? Let's see here. When you have two integers and both integers are positive, in that situation, you will do addition there. Okay? And which sign you will use? Positive, plus sign. The answer is positive there. Okay? Sum will be positive there. The next is when both the numbers are having minus sign. When both the numbers are having minus sign, both integers are negative integer. In this situation also we will do addition there. What we will do? Addition we will do there, and the answer will be negative there. The answer will be negative. It means the sum again here will be negative. Okay? Let's understand in this way also. If both are having similar sign, we will do addition. If both are having similar sign, we will do addition, and the respective sign we will write with answer. The respective sign we will write with answer. Okay? Now next rule is 4. When two numbers, one is positive and one is negative. One is positive and one is negative. In this situation, both are having different sign. Both integers are having different sign. So here you will do subtraction there. Now what you will do? Subtraction you will do there, and the sign will be greater number. Which sign will come here? Greater number sign will come with the answer. Done? Now the last rule is, if both are having different sign, one is minus, another is plus. Okay? Both are similar rules. One is positive, one is negative. Either first is negative, second is positive. Okay? But rules are same. When you are having the different sign, you will do their subtraction. What do you need to do there? Subtraction. And which sign will become? Again, the greater number sign will become there. Yes, this rule is applicable for both the greater number. Now let's see the examples. 5 plus 4. The first example is 5 plus 4. Now see here, 5 is also positive, plus sign is not mentioned here, but whenever plus mentioned or not, we are treated as positive then. Okay? So plus, this is positive 5, this is positive 4. Let's see here, both are having the positive sign, addition sign, plus sign. We will do addition there, and sign will be positive there. Okay? So now, 5 plus 4, that is 9. This is your answer. Understood? Now next one is minus 5 and minus 4. Here both the numbers, both the integers are having negative sign, minus sign there. So we will do addition here because both are having similar sign, minus minus. Minus 5 and minus 4 here. So we will do addition. 5 plus 4 is 9 again. But the sign will be the respective number. What is the respective sign? Minus sign. So we will put here minus. So minus 9 is your answer. The next is 4 minus 5. Now see here, one is a positive, another is negative here. First number is a positive, another is negative. When we are having two different signs with the numbers, we will do subtraction there and put the greater number sign. Now you need to do subtraction here. 4 minus can do 5 minus 4, that is 1. 1 is your answer. And greater number, 4 and 5. Which number is greater? 5 is a greater number and 5 having a minus sign. So we will put here minus. So minus 1 is your answer. Now the last example is example number 4, that is minus 4 plus 5. Minus 4 plus 5. First is negative, another is positive. When we are having two different signs, we will do their subtraction. Again you do subtraction, 5 minus 4 is 1. And you can see here 5 is a greater number and 5 have positive sign. So we will not put any sign here. Okay? It means 1 is positive there. So these are the rules about the integer. How do we find the sum and difference of two integers? Again we revise fast it. Plus we will do and the sign will be plus. Minus plus we will do and sign will be minus here. Plus we will do and sign of the greater number there. And minus plus we will do subtraction there and sign will be greater number there. So these are the rules of integers in the case of addition and subtraction. Let's begin with new topic, that is how to find the sum and difference of two integers numbers with the use of number line. Now see the rules. When you want to find sum, addition, plus sign is there. Sum or difference, whatever. But if plus sign between the two integers, we will move right hand side. If minus sign between two integers, we will move left hand side. Okay. If two different signs, either plus minus or minus plus, any different signs we are having between two integers, we will move left hand side. And if two similar signs are there, we will move right hand side. How? Let's see the examples. Now, question is asking to you, 3 more than 2. 3 more than 2. In this situation, how do you write firstly in mathematical expressions? This is 3, this is more than 2. Okay, so 3 more than 2 is this. It means here which sign is there? Plus sign is here. If plus sign is here, so we need to do addition. And whenever plus sign, we will take our steps right hand side. Now first digit. What is your first digit? 2 is your first digit. Now mark on 2 firstly. Yes. This is first step. After this you will see plus sign is here. So we need to take our steps right hand side. How many steps? We need to take 3 steps right hand side. So you will take the 3 steps right hand side. 1, 2 and 3. Okay. When you take the 3 steps right hand side, you get as an answer 5. Correct? This is your answer and you can do this. 2 plus 3 is equals to 5. You can verify it also. Done? Now next question is 3 less than 2. 3 less than 2. 3 less than 2 is asking you. Now how do you write in mathematical form? 3 less than 2. This 3 is less than 2. Okay, it means 2 minus 3 is here. When 2 minus 3 is given, see which sign is here? Minus sign is here. Okay. So at situation of minus sign, you are taking the left steps, left hand side. Now see here, firstly you mark on 2. Yes. First you mark on 2. Then you will take your steps left hand side. How many steps? 3 steps. 1, 2 and 3. So minus 1 is your answer in this situation. What is your answer? Minus 1 is your answer. Now by using the rules you apply and verify if your answer is correct or not. 2 minus 3. Minus 1 is your answer. Plus minus and sign will be the greater number. So 3 minus 2 is 1 and the 3 is a greater number, so minus sign is there. Now next question is minus 3 less than minus 2. Minus 3 less than minus 2. Now see here how to write in mathematical form firstly. Minus 3. Minus 3 is less than minus 2. It means minus 2 minus 3. Done? Now you observe here which sign you are having. You are having two similar signs here. Whenever you are having two similar signs, you will take your steps right hand side. Which side you take your steps? Right hand side. So now you will mark firstly on minus 2 and take your steps, 3 steps right hand side. Clear? Now mark your minus 2. Done? Take 3 steps right hand side. When take your steps right hand side. Just wait. Yes. 1, 2 and 3. What is your answer? Your answer is 1. So here in this situation you get answer as a 1. Okay. Now the next question is minus 3 is more than minus 2. See here, minus 3 is more than minus 2. How do you write in mathematical form? Minus 3 is more than it means plus is there. Minus 3 is more than minus 2. Now minus 2 plus minus 3 is there. You are having two different signs. Whenever you are having the different sign, we will take our steps left hand side of the number line. So firstly you mark on minus 2 and then when you take your steps, 3 steps left hand side. Now mark on minus 2 and take 3 steps left hand side. 1, 2, 3. What you get? You get minus 5 as your answer. So minus 5 is your answer. Now by using the rules you can apply your rules and verify if this answer is correct or not. Listen. Minus 2 as it is minus 2 is coming. Plus minus. Multiply rules apply. Plus minus. Minus is there. And this 3 is coming. Now addition and subtraction rule you apply here. Minus minus plus. And sign will be the minus. 2 plus 3 is equals to 5. And sign will be the minus there. Yes. Similarly you can check. Verify here also. Minus 2 is here. And minus minus will be the plus. And 3 will become here. Okay. So now minus plus will be the minus. 3 minus 2 is equals to 1 and the sign will be the greater number. Here 3 is a greater number, so 1 will be positive. So this is about the number line. How do you find the sum and difference of two integers with the use of number line? Okay. Let us start the new topic, new concept, that is how do we do multiply and divide two integers. The answer, it means the product and the question of integers will be positive, negative. How? See here, let's see the rules. Rule is saying if we are having two positive integers, it means both numbers have plus sign, then the answer will be plus there. Either that is product, either that is question. Okay? Now the next rule is if both are negative integers, also the answer will be positive there. If one is the positive and one is negative, the answer will be negative there. And one is negative, another is positive, then also answer is negative there. Let's understand. If you are having two integers and both the integers having plus sign, okay, and question is saying do the multiply and divide, then in that situation the product and question both are positive. Simply just like you are doing product and the question you are finding, similar steps you are following, but the answer will be positive or negative. For that we are learning these rules. Okay. So when both are positive, answer will be positive there. If both are negative, answer will be positive. In short, you can say if similar sign we are having, answer will be positive there. Similar sign, you can say minus minus plus, plus plus plus. Okay. When you are having the different sign, plus minus or either plus minus plus, the answer will be negative there. Okay. Let's see some examples in the case of multiplication. Now first example is 2 into 5. Okay, 2 is positive here and 5 is also positive here. Now you can see here, positive, answer will be positive there. So now, don't we do this 5 plus 2, 7. No. We will do multiply here. 5 2s are 10. Okay, and then answer will be positive. We are learning these rules for which answer? Answer is positive or negative. Now next is minus 2 multiplied by minus 5. Minus 2 multiplied by minus 5. Now 2 is negative here, 5 is also negative. When we are having two similar signs, we will do multiplication and answer will be positive there. Okay, so 5 2s are again 10 is there and minus minus plus sign will be there. If you are putting plus, okay. If you are not putting plus and you have directly write 10, that is also correct. Now next is minus 2 multiplied by 5. Now you can see here, one is negative here and one is positive here. Two different sign when you have, then answer will be negative there. 5 2s are 10 is here and sign will be minus there. Let's see here, plus minus, sign will be minus there. So here minus plus sign will be minus and here you will see 2 multiplied by minus 5. 2 multiplied by minus 5, that is 10 and answer will be minus there. Again revise it. When we are having similar sign, answer will be positive. When we are having answer will be negative there. Okay. Let's see some examples. In the case of divide, how do we do this? Apply these rules. 15 divided by 3. You can see here 15 is positive, 3 is positive. Simply we are dividing. 15 divided by 3, 3 5s are 15 is here. Okay. Next is minus 15 divided by minus 3. Firstly, so you do simple divide here. Now 5, 15 3s are, sorry, 3 5s are 15. So this is your answer. Up now answer will be positive or negative. Remember the rules. Minus minus plus will be. So plus 5, positive 5 is your answer. Okay. Next is 15 divided by 3, again 5 is your answer. But this is negative or positive? Depend on rules. Plus minus minus. One is positive, one is negative. Answer will be negative there. So plus minus minus sign will be there. If we are having a different sign, we will put minus sign with the answer. Now again 3 5s are 15. So you can see here when we are having a similar sign, minus minus or plus plus, answer will be positive. When we are having